Now we're taking them one after the other. We signed an MOU with SynLab, and SynLab is a renowned name in lab services division, and they want to partner with Ebonyi State in Kindevi University of Medical Sciences, and precisely Kindevi University of University Teaching Hospital. As you know that we have the academic section and the teaching hospital section. So they will be partnering with us in the teaching hospital section to provide lab services. And there are two aspects of this MOU. The MOU, based on the facilities that Ebonyi State has provided, that's the infrastructure, and also equipped. And the proceeds will be shared between Ebonyi State government and the provider. Then the second aspect of it is a particular lab that will build the infrastructure, the same lab equipped, and they're equipped with their own machines. So there will be rendering services also that they will be giving Ebonyi State commission. And this MOU is for 5 years, but and renewable. And if there's any way that any of the parties is not impressed, they can also pull out through the normal protocols. The second aspect is free lab services in Kindevi University Teaching Hospital, where Ebonyans and Nigerians will receive free lab services starting from 1st June, and it will last for 2 months. You see, His Excellency is always looking for a way to improve the health and welfare of our people. And you see that most of our people, they have some of these ailments, and it doesn't give a warning sign, it's very silent, but when you do a lab investigation on time, you'll be able to detect such ailments and treat it before it leads to complications. Something like hypertension that we know that causes stroke can be detected just by measuring somebody's BP. And somebody might have this BP over years, over months, without knowing. It doesn't ring bell. So these are the targets. And somebody that has something like diabetes, over many months and years, the blood sugar will be elevated. So mere checking this will detect that the person has elevated blood sugar. And if it is handled, the person will not, tilt into the complications like, diabetic coma, diabetic foot, and it becomes more difficult to handle these diseases. I can go on and on. Even the lipid profile, if you do somebody's lipid profile, you detect that the person might be having elevated blood cholesterol. And if it is handled, the person will not go into like coronary artery stenosis and sudden death. That's very common in our environment now. So this is a win-win thing, and we thank His Excellency for giving these services free to our people and the entire Nigerians. And the services will be rendered, as I said before, in Kindevi University Teaching Hospital, starting from 1st June, and it will last for 2 months. And last but not the least is also the giving a scholarship by Kindevi University of Medical Sciences in 6 departments, which includes medicine and surgery, pharmacy, nursing sciences, medical lab sciences, optometry, and dentistry. And this is the 2nd year of this scholarship scheme. And so many people have also benefited. Some of our labs are very intelligent, but they may not have somebody to sponsor them. And so many people have benefited from this. This is the 2nd year, as I said, and we thank His Excellency for giving us this scholarship scheme across Nigeria. It's not restricted to Ebonyi State only, but it's based purely on merit, because we conduct a series of interviews and we select the best.
Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, The Mirror TV on YouTube, The Mirror on Facebook, The Mirror TV on Twitter. Subscribe and follow us, as we shall be giving you updates of the activities here in Ebonyi State and across the globe. For advert placement or sponsorship, call the number showing on the screen or email us at mbamsylvester